Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to check out our video reviews and tutorials. I'm just doing a super quick video review on what the manufacturer calls the iPhone 4 crystal air cases. Now the reason they call it that is it's very slim, super thin plastic. It does bend, so it's got a little bit of flex in there, and they're just back protectors for your iPhone. Now we include one screen protector with the purchase, so you get all three. I believe all three is like $7 or $8 shipped to your location. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. You have a white gloss, you have a crystal clear, and you have a shiny black gloss. So all you do is you take your iPhone 4, pop it in and snap it down, and that's it. So it's got the corners protected, it's got the cutout for the bottom, and the top is fully accessible, and the camera cutout there. So it just protects the back of your iPhone. Basically, like, nothing's on there. If you take a look from the video, you could tell, like, I mean, it's just not even like a millimeter or something of plastic there. So it does protect the back of your iPhone. And that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick review on these. I mean, not bad for the price at all. If you have any questions regarding this product or any products we sell, description link at the bottom gives you the link to where you can purchase them from, and you can also send us an email with your questions, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks again for taking the time to check out our videos, and have yourself a great day.